What's the meaning of braai? Braai. Braai.
Braai. Braai. Braai is a South African term that refers to the act of cooking meat over an open flame or barbecue. The practice of braai has deep cultural significance in South Africa and is a popular social activity among families and friends. The end result of braai meat is typically a deliciously charred and smoky flavor, with a juicy and tender texture. The meat is often marinated beforehand and can include various cuts such as beef, lamb, chicken, and sausage. Braaiing is not only about the food, but also about the experience of gathering together, sharing stories and enjoying the moment with loved ones.